Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Obviously, they had a tough time convincing me or कोई और भी होता तो भी it would have taken a lot of convincing to do this show. जितनी जगह पे भी ये शो गया था कास्टिंग के लिए, हर जगह से I was just getting messages left, right, center. मैं एक को मना करती थी, दूसरे से आ जाता, फिर third time, fourth time. So I got crazy. I said, why is everybody only wanting me to do this show? And also, I sacrificed a lot of food actually in my real life. I practically stopped eating to be fitting in these outfits. Chudel outfit that there was. I drank no water every day. I had no food every day, and eventually I ended up losing weight also. That is also a coincidence. मैं 4 साल पहले नागिन जिस सेट पे abruptly end हो गया था because it was the COVID first wave and nobody kind of had expected that. उसी 4 साल बाद मैंने उसी सेट पे वापस कदम रखा, obviously leaving the outdoor behind and this and that, but it is the same set that I'm shooting on.
वेलकम टू इंडिया फॉरेंस।
Thank you.
सुहागन चुड़ैल के बारे में हम कुछ जानना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ है, कैसे मतलब इसको स्क्रिप्ट देखा आपने, कैसे हामी भरी?
सुहागन चुड़ैल is actually not a very conventional name कि कोई भी सुन के और बहुत आसानी से हाँ कर देगा. Obviously they had a tough time convincing me और कोई और भी होता तो भी it would have taken a lot of convincing to do this show because Indian televisions are anyway accused of promoting like regressive content and ye and wo, and then we are bringing something like Suhagan Chudel, so it obviously had to raise like a lot of eyebrows, but जब कोई चीज़ आपके लिए लिखी होती है ना, तो वो फिर कैसे भी आए, कहीं से भी कूद के आए, कहीं से टपके, कहीं से ऊपर से निकल जाए, इट विल कम टू यू नो मैटर व्हाट. सो ये मैंने इस शो में रियलाइज़ किया दैट जितना मैंने इसके लिए ना बोला ना, उतना ही ये मेरे पास चल के आता रहा. एंड इट डिड नॉट कम फ्रॉम लाइक वन प्लेस. लाइक जितने लोग भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व थे, जितने और कास्टिंग्स या जितनी जगह पे भी ये शो गया था कास्टिंग के लिए, हर जगह से आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग मैसेजेस लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर. मैं एक को मना करती थी, दूसरे से आ जाता, फिर थर्ड टाइम, फोर्थ टाइम. सो आई गॉट crazy. I said, why is everybody only wanting me to do this show? So I got crazy at one point of time, but later on, after 7-8 meetings, I realized that it's been a role that they genuinely kind of has been written for me, and they really want me to do it. So बहुत सारी चीजें थी इसमें, even the kind of girl they wanted for it, and the kind of chudel they are portraying in the show. It's relatable. Everyone's going to relate with it. And also the show is about 16 श्रृंगार because सुहागन अटैच है, तो उसको इस चुड़ैल को अपने 16 श्रृंगार पूरे करने हैं, and how she has killed 15 men by now to attain those 15 श्रृंगार because हर श्रृंगार has a power. जब आप शो actually start होगा, you'll see. So now she's one step away from attaining her 16th श्रृंगार, which is the सिंदूर, and which is the most powerful श्रृंगार. तो जब वो 16वें शिकार को अपने मारेगी, तब उसको श्रृंगार मिलेगा, and then she'll become the most beautiful. अभी भी है, but then her beauty will never fade and she'll become immortal. So that's the show's going to be, and that's what she's running after. So उसके लिए अब उसे कितने भी आदमियों को मारना पड़े और कितने भी लोगों को अपने प्यार के जाल में फंसाना पड़े, निशिगंधा will do it all. She will stop at nothing.
बात करें श्रृंगार की, तो इतनी हॉट लेडी को हर कोई देखना चाहेगा, इसलिए आपको कास्ट किया है. तो क्या मतलब जितना हम जानते हैं आपको कि तड़का तो होता ही है ग्लैम का, तो क्या कुछ आपने अपने लिए किया है अपने लुक्स के लिए?
Fortunately, ये जब शो आया, मैं already I was heavily into my fitness, and I was just working out, and I was well in every aspect. I was looking okay to be on a show like that. So I didn't have time to do enough homework for this. But जो भी मैं अपनी personal life में, जैसे मैं dress up होती हूँ, जैसे मैं अपना makeup करती हूँ, everything is being utilized for this character because this is an all out glam, looking glam all the time, very very sultry, and bringing oomph to your character, to your persona, your personality, and how you dress up. So I'm utilizing everything that I do in my personal life for this character, so that just you could do justice to this. And also I sacrificed a lot of food actually in my real life. I practically stopped eating to be fitting in these outfits, to be in the signature chudel outfit that there was. I drank no water every day. I had no food every day, and eventually I ended up losing weight also. So I've done whatever it took to just bring grace to this character, and I've done it all. And the show is also looking very beautiful. How I've played the character, the scenes that I've done, I'm liking it all.
ओके, बात करें दोस्तों की, आपके दो मतलब रील से हम जब भी देखते हैं आपके दोस्त बहुत मतलब आपके करीब हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, तो उनके क्या रिएक्शंस थे जब उन्होंने आपके देखा है?
एवरीबडी लाफ्ड, दे रोल्ड ऑन द फ्लोर लाफिंग। अर्जुन ने तो जिस दिन से सुना है उस दिन से वो मुझे चुड़ैल ही कह के बुलाता है, ही नेवर कॉल्स मी एनीथिंग, और सुहागन चुड़ैल, हाउ यू डूइंग? सो एवरीवन's been making fun, but it's all in a jest, and it's in a lot of spirit and a lot of um, encouraging um, uh, demeanor. So I would say nobody was not laughing, but also everybody told me that you're perfect for a role like this and you're going to do justice.
ओके, बात करें टीवी इंडस्ट्री की, जो लास्ट आपने अपना नागिन का लास्ट शूट किया था, वही सेट पे आपने फिर
Yeah.
से
How did you know that? Yes, that is
होमवर्क
also a coincidence. मैं 4 साल पहले नागिन जिस सेट पे abruptly end हो गया था because it was the COVID
हुँ,
first wave and nobody kind of
हुँ,
had expected that. उसी 4 साल बाद मैंने उसी सेट पे वापस कदम रखा, obviously leaving
हुँ,
the outdoor behind
हुँ।
and this and that. But it is the same set that I'm shooting on. Coincidence है, but ठीक है. I mean, I remember shooting there. So सुहागन चुड़ैल का शूट भी वही है, उसी सेट पे ही है.
ओके, बात करें आपके को-स्टार्स, आप उनसे मिले, उन्हें मतलब कैसा लगा साथ में शूट करके, कुछ बताना
So
चाहेंगे?
practically, I every show that I've done in the last 12 years, I used to be the youngest on my set. But now, when I'm coming back with this show, I just realized that hey, I am suddenly now the older one. You know, ये सब अभी 8-8 साल छोटे हैं मेरे से, and this is the first time where I'm working with a guy way too younger than me. But that doesn't matter. I'm 200 years old. You can't anyway compare my age to anybody else in
हाँ,
the show. But also, it's a very it's a progression, I would say. It's a realization that you have you get a sense of responsibility now suddenly. Pehle to aap, you can kid around, but not anymore. I just realized that everybody's got a in their 20s, and now suddenly you're the bigger one.
एक अरसा बीत जाता है जब भी ऐसे शूट्स मतलब जब आपका फर्स्ट शूट था और आपके बीच में कित क्या कुछ डिफरेंसेस फ़ील करते हो टीवी इंडस्ट्री में, कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
I don't think there is any difference in the TV industry. It's in the treatment that the difference comes. And I think growing to this level, I think I kind of now deserve the treatment that they give me, and the respect that I have, and the how you're treated on a set. Everything changes with time, and it only happens once you gain that level of experience. It does not come with your first show or your second, but with time you command that.
ओके, लास्टली आप अपने व्यूअर्स से क्या कहना चाहोगे जो आपको इतना ज़्यादा प्यार हर चीज़ में देते हैं, चाहे वो वेब करो, चाहे टीवी शो करो और अब भी आप एक नया टीवी शो कर रहे हो, तो अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए कोई एक मैसेज?
I would want the same amount of love from them that they have been giving me with all the last shows, and I hope this show does wonders because it's a huge experiment with in terms of everything, and even the makers. It's a grand hope, and uh, it's being shot very very well, executed very well, promoted very well. I hope it does wonders going forward, and it's well accepted by the audience.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you.